Look, 2026 is right here. We aren't just making resolutions. We are rewriting our lives. Most people fail because they wait for the right time. The right time is now. Stop overthinking the past. You can't fix it. You can only fix today. This is the blueprint to reclaiming your time, discipline, and mind. Start your day early. If you can wake up at 4 a.m., do it. If not, 6 a.m. is your absolute limit. Waking up early gives you a massive advantage. While the rest of the world is sleeping, you've already won the first battle. No snooze button. Get up immediately. Go take a cold or normal shower. Wake up your nervous system and tell your brain the day has started. Then move your body. Do yoga, stretching, meditation, or light exercise. Even 10 to 20 minutes is enough. This is not about fitness. It's about discipline and control. Morning discipline decides the quality of your entire day. No excuses. Do not touch your phone in the morning. Drink your tea or health drink in silence. Sit with yourself. Plan your day. And follow this rule strictly. No pending work. Wash your cup immediately. Fold your clothes. Arrange your books. Send an important message or email now. Keep your room clean. Keep your surroundings organized. A cluttered room is a cluttered mind. 2026 will be successful only if you have the discipline to kill laziness daily. Punctuality is power. Be ready 10 minutes before any task, class, or commitment. Whether you're going out or staying in, respect time. This is how you respect your own life. Remember this. The only competition that matters is you today versus you yesterday. Every day, try to beat the version of you from 24 hours ago. Your phone is a killer if you don't control it. Unsubscribe from content that doesn't help you grow. Stop getting influenced by fake success. Many influencers add loud music, show luxury, and call it success because they earn money. That is not real success. Real success is built in silence. Off the screen. In discipline. In learning. In effort. Use your phone as a tool, not a leash. You don't need a fancy course. You need a hungry mind. Keep yourself busy by learning new skills one by one. When you need a break, don't scroll. Don't gossip. Don't compare. Go for a walk. Sit in nature. Or take a small power nap. Focus on just 3 priorities. 1 for health, 1 for learning, 1 for peace. That's enough to build a powerful life. Control your entertainment. Endless serials and binge watching are time killers. Most of them add nothing to your life. If you really want entertainment, keep one series. Watch 1 episode, only as a reward. Listening to music is fine, but letting screens control your emotions and schedule is not. You decide when entertainment enters your life, not the screen. Before sleeping, do a recap of your day. Account for every hour. See where you were disciplined. See where you slipped. Prepare for tomorrow. Then sleep peacefully. Keep your mobile in another room, not beside your bed. Sleep early. Sleep with a clear mind. Sleep knowing you left no pending work. Don't commit to a year. Commit to 7 days. 7 days of no excuses, no gossip, no scrolling, no pending work. Do this for 1 week straight. Then come back and thank yourself. Because life feels different when you are in control. 2026 is your year. Don't waste it. Discipline is your new identity.